Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is regarding the interview experience of applied mechanics department in IIT Madras. So वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं कुछ चीज़ें बता देता हूँ. सो अप्लाइड मैकेनिक्स के फॉर्म में हमें दो ऑप्शन मिलते हैं. पहला होता है कि हम सॉलिड मैकेनिक्स में जाना चाहते हैं या फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में जाना चाहते हैं. तो हम दोनों भी भर सकते हैं. मैंने दोनों भरा था और मुझे शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग दोनों डिपार्टमेंट के लिए किया था. तो उसके लिए दो सेपरेट इंटरव्यू हो गए. तो आपको वो मेल पे डाल देंगे कि ये इंटरव्यू अब होगा, ये इंटरव्यू तब होगा, और कॉल पे भी बता देंगे. तो मैं अपने स्कोर शेयर करता हूँ आपके साथ सो दैट आपको एक आइडिया हो जाएगी कि किस बेसिस पे शॉर्ट लिस्ट होता है. सो मेरा गेट स्कोर था 418 एंड माई कैटेगरी वॉज EWS एंड माई btech cgpa वॉज 9.05. सो इसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे शॉर्ट लिस्ट किया है और शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग मेल में हमें बता देते कि ये आपकी डेट होगी और इस पर आपको इंटरव्यू देना पड़ेगा. और उस मेल में एक फॉर्म लिंक होती है, उसमें हमें पुट करना होता है कि हम इंटरव्यू ज्वाइन करने वाले. तो आप रेडी हो जाओ और अपना नेट कनेक्शन वगैरह सब तैयार रखो. सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस. और इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस मैं इंग्लिश में रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि सबको बेनिफिट हो. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम या टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज कर सकते हो. मैं हैप्पीली उनको सबको क्वेश्चन करने का आंसर करने का ट्राई करूँगा. सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Okay, regarding the interview day, so let me give you some background information regarding interview. So in my interview was nearly at 11 a.m. So interview went around nearly 15 minutes. And regarding interview, first they will create a WhatsApp group including all faculties and just you. So there will be, I think, three faculties. One faculty from mathematics, one from faculty from fluid mechanics, and one faculty is the coordinator who arranges all the meetings and just take all the students in the lobby for the meeting. So this is regarding interview. So in the interview, my interview was scheduled at 11. So when I entered in the interview, one of the faculty like coordinators said, "Hi Amit, check your audio and video, and after that we can start the interview." So I have checked that, and then one of the faculty said, "Hi Amit, afternoon, good morning. Sorry, hi Amit, good morning. So how are you?" So basic intro they asked. Say, "Tell me about yourself, like what are you doing, and introduce yourself in a quick way." So I have introduced them. So after that they said like it's okay. Then why you choose applied mechanics department and why especially fluid mechanics and fluid section you want to do the research. So I explained my all the reasons. So they are like satisfied. Okay, that's good. So they said what activities like you want, like do you love experimental data or do you want like theoretical data, research data, and have some practical experiences on it. So I told them I like mathematics and that's why I love to solve the mathematical calculations in the research part. So I would like to enter into mathematics field in the fluid section so that I can urge my satisfaction in mathematics and in fluid mechanics as well. So they said okay. So they said so should I ask you question on fluid dynamics? So I said yes sir. So first they said so what topics you have prepared in the fluid dynamics. So I said like I have prepared basic topics like flows, then various equations and like that. So that faculty said, so do you know what are the laminar flow and what are the turbulent flows? So I told that faculty like yes I know sir. So after that they said like give me definition, explain what is laminar and turbulent on a paper, and click a photo and send us in a WhatsApp group. So I explained photo, I explained various diagrams like laminar are linearly particles, turbulent are crossed particles, then they are intermixing. So I sent that photo. Then again, can you do the significance of laminar and turbulent flow? So I told them yes sir. Then I explained like it depends upon Reynolds number. I put various ranges in pipes, various ranges in plates. Then what are the ranges for turbulent flow and laminar flow? Then they are like satisfied with my answer. So after discussing 5 minutes on laminar and turbulent flow only, they said, "Can you explain what is fully developed flow?" So I was not sure about fully developed flow. What is fully developed flow? So I told them like I don't have much idea, sir. I need to recall it. So after that they said, "Okay, then can you see like can you comment on what is compressible flow and what is incompressible flow?" Then I explained the definition with compressible and incompressible flow. But after that they said, "Can you give me one examples of compressible and incompressible?" But unfortunately I don't know the examples of it. Then they say it is then fine for fluid section. Then my interview was forwarded to like mathematics faculty. So mathematics faculty is from fluid section only. He just asked mathematics related questions, and he just asked like what are the various mathematical equations in fluid section. So at first they told that mathematics faculty told me like, hi Amit, so do you have any idea of calculus? So I told that faculty like, yes sir, I have little bit idea of calculus. Then that faculty said, so take a equation y equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x, and write in a paper and draw the graph of it and send us to us. So I tried to draw the graph, but unfortunately it was wrong. So I sent to them on WhatsApp group, but that faculty said, so do you know, is it a correct graph or not? So I was 100% sure it was not correct graph. So I was just like acting like, yes sir, from my knowledge it is correct, but I guess like it is not correct. So they laughed for some time, and after that it is they said like it is not correct. So can you draw it again? So again I tried to draw it, but unfortunately I was not able to do it. Then faculty said that's okay. So that faculty said, can you difference between solid and fluid, and just put mechanical properties on it. So I explained regarding like molecular structure, but they said don't explain molecular structure, explain mechanical properties. So I told them like mechanical properties related to liquid has lubricity, solid doesn't have lot of lubricity, so liquids are incompressible, etc., etc. So that faculty said okay, that's it. So after this question my interview was over. So from my experience it was not good interview as per my point of view, because when I saw that faculties, they were not satisfied as they should. But at last they said, do you have any questions for us? So I said, no sir. So interview got like little normal and went for 15 minutes. And here are some few points that I want to tell you. Before going to the interview, you should revise these concepts. So let's start that few points. Okay, so here are some few points that I want to share with you guys. So before going to the interview, just make sure that if you are applied for fluid section, then you should thoroughly prepare all the fluid concepts, because they will strictly ask related to only fluid. They will not ask regarding other subjects. They will strictly ask only fluid and mathematics. And in the mathematics, graph section is the most important thing. Like they will just draw some equation, then they will ask draw the graph, and if you are not able to do it, then they will not get satisfied, because drawing graph is the main thing that IITians want, like faculties want. But in mathematics, prepare basic linear algebra like eigenvalue, eigenvectors, basic probability things, basic probability concepts, and random variable, what are types of random variable. Then in calculus, I said previously, graphs in calculus like all related functions. And in differential calculus, various theorems like Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, like etc. And just have some idea about like what is divergence, what is convergence, what are the different numerical methods that we use. And in fluid mechanics, prepare Bernoulli's equation, prepare the type of flow, make like note of every flow and what is the definition, what is the equation of fluid dynamics, fluid dynamics flows. So except in fluid dynamics there are like various forces like buoyancy force is important. Then check check various equations like Navier-Stokes equation, etc., etc. And they will just play around the basics. They will ask basic question, and they will get deeper until you gets the correct knowledge. So that's it for the interview, and don't take overstress regarding the interview. So questions will be simple. They just make you feel like you are getting wrong. So be confident in the interview, and best of luck for the interview. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want notes and more information, then you can join my Telegram and Instagram channel.